today's class we are going to start data handling grade 7. Okay, yes. So what are the learning objectives here? At the end of this lesson you will be able to tell what are the uses of data collection, how to analyze data using mean, median and mode, how to represent data using bar graphs, and calculate the probability of different outcomes of random experiment. Okay, so this is the part 1 video. Yes, now starting with statistics. What is basically it is? So it is a branch of mathematics dealing with collecting, organizing, analyzing and interpreting data. So the branch of mathematics, like in science you know that we have physics, chemistry, bio. Similarly in maths also we have different branches. Okay, so those branches are like algebra, like arithmetics, geometry. Like this we have statics as one branch. Here we deal with data. Which type of data? Like how to collect data, organize data, analyze and interpret data, right? So basically when we collect data, it means how we collect the data: measurements, surveys, right? By newspapers, magazine, like that we collect the data. Then we organize the data based on the like age, marks, temperature, color. Here you can see like that. Then we display this data using tables, using pictographs, bar graphs. These are the different methods to display data. Now next, interpreting data. It means after displaying the data, then we find some conclusion and then we conclude it and we do some decision making and we just get to know some decision. Okay, we reach at some decision. Now next, now whichever the data we calculate, right, always this data is this tendency that yes we will take the center one, or the all the data is around center one. This is the center and then all the data you will find around this only. Like what? Let's take one example. If I ask you, like, okay, what is your favorite color? If I'm asking in one class, what is your favorite color? Then if I ask individual, they can say, okay, I like green, yellow, blue, white, black, red, any. But if I tell, okay, you tell me any one color which most of the people are choosing or which I can assign to your class, then what they will do? They will just discuss among themselves, and where they find that most of the people, it means the center, they will tell me that color. Okay, so this data has central tendency. So instead of taking individual, we take the center point. Okay, now in data how can we take the center point? So the tendency of coming to that center is called central tendency. To measure these central tendency, we have different measures. Okay, mean, mode and median. These are the three different measures which we use to find this central point. Okay, now here, to measure of central can be used to summarize numerical data sets, the mean and the median. So here first is mean. Mean means what? Average of all the data values in the set. In a set, whatever the data values you get, you need to find its average. How we find its average? First of all, we'll find sum of all the data values and then we divide it by number of data values. How many total number of data values are there? Right, like that we calculate average, and average is also known as mean. Okay, now next is median. Median means whatever is the middlemost value of the set, that is median. Okay, let's do some examples on it. Yes, now question is, find the mean of the following data set: 8, 3, 4, 9, 6. This is one data set, you need to find the mean. What's the formula for mean? Sum of all the data values upon number of data values. Okay, so sum is what? 8 plus 3 plus 4 plus 9 plus 6. We have added all these, we got 30. Upon number of data values, how many data values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5. So there are total 5 values. So 30 divided by 5 will be 6. So the mean or average of the data set is what? 6. Okay. So how we find mean? Mean means you need to find arithmetic average. It means you need to add all the value divided by the total number of data values. Now, median. Finding the median changes depending on the number of values in the data set. It means if it is odd values, if it is even values, there will be different ways to find the median. Okay. So how we find the median? We arrange the values from least to greatest. Okay. From least to greatest, we arrange the values. Okay, so here you can see smaller, then greater, then greater, then greater, then greater, like that we have arranged. Now if suppose you have total number of values as odd number, like here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 odd values, then the middle one, okay, then the middle one will be the median. Middle one, how you will find? So let's suppose there are n values, so n plus 1 by 2. So this will tell you the number of term. Okay, number of term it will tell you. So that number of term will be the median. For example, here you can see 5 values. Okay, so 5 plus 1 by 2, 5 plus 1 is 6 by 2, that is 3. So third value 1 2 and third value will be the median. Now let's suppose there are even number of values. For example, here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then what we will do, we will, let's suppose n, then we will find n by 2 and its next value. Okay, n by 2 term and its next term. How we will write next term? N by 2 plus 1th term. These are the term. Okay, we will take these two term and we will find its average. So here you can see there are 6 terms. So what we will do, we will take 6 by 2, that is 3. So we will take third term plus we will take fourth term, we will add them and divide by 2, we will get the median. Like here you can see third term and fourth term, we will take divide and upon 2, and like that we will get the median for even number of values. Fine, let me repeat it once again. Odd number, it means middle value, so n plus 1 by 2. If even number, even is already divisible by 2, so we will divide it by 2, we will take that value plus its next term, we will add both and we will divide it by 2. Okay, so like this we calculate median. Let's take one example here. Find the median of the following data set. So set A, 8 3 4 9 6. How can we find its median? First method, first step, arrange in ascending order. Okay, so we'll arrange in ascending order. So how we'll arrange? You can see here 3, smallest, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 9. Okay, so there how many terms are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So n plus 1 by 2, so 6 by 2, that is 3. So third term, so 1 2 and third is this term, so this will be the median. Now let's suppose there are even number of terms. This example, 11 17 3 14 19 7. First step, to arrange in ascending order, we have arranged 3 7 11 14 17 19. Now how many terms are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 terms are there. So 6 by 2, that is 3. So you need to take third term plus you need to take fourth term by 2. Now 1 2, third term is 11, fourth term is 14. So 11 plus 14 by 2. So you can see 11 plus 14 will be 25 by 2. 25 by 2, it means 12.5. So median will be 12.5. Right? Okay. Now next comes mod. For mod, we should know what is frequency. Frequency refers to the number of times a result appears in a data set. It means how many times a number is occurring. That is basically its frequency. And most occurring data is called mod. Or in terms of frequency, if we talk about, then it refers to the result with the greatest frequency. Greatest frequency means most occurring data. It means the data which comes again and again, again and again. It means the most occurring data is the mod. Okay. For example, here you can see this person Jen. he just did the survey, he got some result. So here some colors you can see: yellow, blue, pink, yellow, pink, green, blue, pink, green, blue. Now how can you represent data and how can you find its mod? Okay, so first of all we'll arrange it into a frequency table. It is used to represent the frequency of different result of the data. So here we will write the colors like what we have seen there in the last slide. You can see in the last slide we have seen pink, blue, yellow, green. So like that we will arrange here in colors, and then how many times each and every color is coming, we will write that. Okay, so let's write. Yeah, so you can see pink, it is coming 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so pink is coming 6 times, green 2 times, blue 3 times, and yellow 4 times it is coming. So like this we have just made the frequency table. Okay, now which color is the mod? Okay, so which color is the mod? How we find mod? Mod means you need to find the most occurring data, right? So now you can see here which one is most occurring data. Here you can see pink. Pink appears most often in the pole, therefore it is the mod, right? Because you can see the number of frequencies here: 6, 2, 3, 4. So 6 is the highest frequency. It means if pink is the mod here. Okay, so a data set may have more than one mod or multiple mod or no mod. Okay, now let's do this example. A grade 6 class has the following set of score in a quiz. Create a frequency table for the data set. Okay, so now how we'll create? First of all, the smallest number is 2. How many times 2 is coming? 1, 2, 3. 3 times it is coming. Then you can take 5. How many times 5 is coming? 1, 2, 3. 3 times 5 coming. Like that we will prepare the frequency table. Okay, so you can see 2 is coming 3 times, 5 3 times, 7 1 time, 12 1 time, 13 2 times, and 14 2 times. So like that we have made the frequency table. Now we need to find its mod, because question says what is or are the mode of the data set. So now here you can see 3 is the number. 3 is the number which is coming again and again. Okay, so 3 is the number which is coming again and again over there. Yes. Okay, so 3 will be the mod. Sorry, so 3 is the score is what? 2. Here 5. So the mod of the data set are 2 and 5 because it is coming 3 times, equal times. It means there are 2 mods. Now next, previous question was how many students are there in the class. So there, if you add all the frequency, you will get 12. It means there are 12 students in the class. Okay. Now which two data set have the same mean? It means you need to find its mean. How you will find its mean? Take a pause here. Apply the formula of mean. How can you apply the formula? Add sum of all the data upon number of data. Total number of data will give you mean. Okay, add all these and divide it by 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, you will get the mean. Quickly calculate mean here. Okay, now pause the video, calculate the mean. Okay, and then let's see. Yes, so here you can see mean 12.6, here 12.2, mean 13 and 13. Okay, we calculated mean here. Median, as in each and every set we can see there are 5 number. It means the middle, after arranging them in ascending order. Okay, after arranging them in particular order, we can see that the middle number is the median here. So like this we calculate mean and median. Okay, yes. So here in this video we have studied about what is frequency, what is mod, mean and median. Frequency means number of times a result appears in the data set. Mod means the greatest frequency or the most occurring data. Mean means average of all the data values in the set, and median means the middle most value is the median, right? So like that you have seen there are 3 measures of central tendency, right? So that's all in this video. In next video we will see how to draw the bar graph. Okay, so till then, bye bye, take care and do revise.